Hi, this is the Pixel 7a and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So let's first open the settings, then scroll down to the wallpaper and style. Tap to change wallpaper section. Here you could use photos from your device gallery previously taken on your device camera or downloaded from the internet, or also you could use here the default wallpapers on your device. Let's select one from the available wallpapers. Just we could see the preview on the lock screen. Tap on the right down corner to OK, select lock screen, and now we could see the message that the wallpaper set successfully. So let's just lock the device and we could see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we could make it by another way. Just hold for a while the home screen with your finger and then tap to wallpaper and style, and by the same way just select one from the available wallpapers, tap to right down corner and select lock screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.